If you're a BoldTrail user and you're still manually typing out every follow-up email and text, I'm about to save you a ton of time. Today, I'm walking you through BoldTrail's smart assistant and AI tools. I'm going to show you exactly where to find them and how to actually use them. Let's get into it. If you're new to the channel, I'm Brandon Fisher of Master Your CRM, and I help real estate agents just like you learn and master their BoldTrail accounts. I've worked with agents over the last 8 years to help them perfect their CRM, and I'm here to help you as well. If you're interested in meeting with me one-on-one, you can go to masteryourcrm.com to learn more about my services and schedule an appointment with me. Let's master this together. Okay, today we're going to talk about Omni Search and BoldTrail's Smart Assistant. What does that mean? Well, in BoldTrail, there are a couple things to know about how it uses AI. At the very top, there is an option called Omni Search, and this is a smart search tool within BoldTrail that allows you to find contacts, apps, marketing, anything in the system that you're looking for. You can find it right here at the very top. For example, let's say I want to download the BoldTrail mobile app. All I have to do is type in app and wait while it searches, and it's going to populate. It's going to give me all the people who might have the word app in their name, any listings that might have that. But if I scroll to the bottom, you'll see that there's a features section that says marketing mobile app. If I click on that, it's going to open up and take me right to download the newest Streams mobile app. If you haven't heard of Streams, I just released a how-to short on my YouTube channel. If you're new here to Master Your CRM, feel free to subscribe, like, and comment on these posts. I would love to know who's using Streams. How are you using Streams? How long have you used it? Let us know in the comments below. And thanks again for joining us. The next thing we're going to talk about is, what if I want to find a contact? So in the Omni search, I can type in a name. I'll type in my name, and I'm actually a contact in here, and it will pull me up. If I just click on that, it's going to pull me right into my contacts folder and show me all of that information about the lead I was looking for. Show you all the properties I've looked for, the lead validation, everything, all the emails I've sent. And if you're interested in learning more about contacts and how that works, go check out my video below. Let's also search for a marketing tool. One of the things I always tell agents about is the smart number and how that works. So I'm going to type in smart number and personal smart number under products. If I click that, it will take me over to my smart number in the marketplace section and show you when I signed up, when my next billing is, and all of that. If I type in smart number again, it will actually take me right over to the marketplace where I can sign up for my own personal smart number. What else can we find in this Omni search bar? Well, let's do Zapier. Let's say I want to connect to a third-party system. Let's say I use Zillow, for example, or let's say I want to connect to Facebook lead ads. Well, a lot of people will use Zapier to connect those to their BoldTrail account. And it can be cumbersome to find where that Zap key is to help you figure out how to connect that. So I type in Zapier here at the top, and look, boom, lead engine takes me right to Zapier, where I can get all those keys and information to connect third-party systems in here. All right, I'm going to go back to the dashboard. Now let's talk about BoldTrail's new integration with AI called Smart Assistant. The Smart Assistant is BoldTrail's built-in AI writing tool that helps you write emails, text, and follow-up messages without starting from a blank screen. It's not a separate app. It's not something that you have to set up, and it's already inside your BoldTrail account right now. Think of it as like having ChatGPT built directly into your CRM. It already knows the context and what you're trying to do. Real talk, the number one reason agents don't follow up is that they don't know what to say. Smart Assistant removes the excuses of what to say. Instead of copying and pasting old emails from Google or Googling how to follow up with a buyer lead, you just let the AI draft it. It doesn't replace your voice. It gives you a starting point, and then you can tweak it in 30 seconds. It can draft emails, texts, and replies fast for you. It can be in multiple tones, customized to the situation. It can't think for you. You still need to review and personalize it before you hit the send button. But as you know, AI is only as good as the prompts. So understanding this AI tool and knowing where to find it is paramount in order for you to successfully use it as an agent. Let's figure out where to find the Smart Assistant tool. It's in a few places. On BoldTrail, there is the lead activity tiles. And let's say I wanted to communicate with one of these leads. Well, I can click email right on the tile. That will pop up the email window. And within this window, you'll see a pre-populated email. And that's great. You could hit send right here if you wanted to. Or you could start using BoldTrail's new Smart Assistant tool. What I'll do is I'll actually remove all this and I'll use the Smart Assistant tool located in the top right-hand corner. If I click that, you'll notice I am shown a few different prompts. Send a welcome email, send a check-in email, promote a listing, and custom prompts. One thing you'll notice throughout this Smart Assistant feature is these prompts will appear in every area that you find it. For example, this one is a thanks for viewing or a reach out email. And let's say I want to send out a thank you for viewing my listings, ask a question about what they're looking for, and prompt them to schedule a call with me. I can click custom prompts here and I can type that information in. I'll say, write me an email to Andrew, thanking him for looking at listings on my website. I also would like to know what properties or areas Andrew is looking at. Along with that, I would love to offer my schedule link to have Andrew schedule a time with me. Write this email in a professional and upbeat voice, letting Andrew know that I'm eager to help. Sorry, my spelling's a little bit terrible. Now, all I have to do is hit craft message and boom, there it is. My email is done. However, just like I said in the beginning, you do want to review this to make sure it looks good and meets all the criteria. My email says, hi, Andrew. I hope this message finds you well. Thank you for taking the time to explore listings on my website. I'm thrilled to see your interest, and I'm eager to assist you in finding the perfect property. Some of you might not like that wording, so you could go in there and change it. All you have to do is click on, let's say I don't want to say assist, but I just want to make it more casual and say help. So I just changed it. To better cater your needs, I'd love to know which specific properties or areas you are particularly interested in. This information will help me narrow down the options and present you with the best possibilities to align with your preferences. Additionally, I'm excited to offer my scheduling link so we can arrange a time to discuss your real estate goals and any real estate goals and any questions you may have. Feel free to schedule a convenient time for you. This is why you need to read this stuff, because now it says insert schedule link here. If I don't insert my schedule link here, he won't have it. So you could also copy and paste that link in the prompt and it will automatically populate that schedule link right in here. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Best regards. Maybe you don't say best regards. I like to say cheers at the end of my emails. And then there's also agent full name, agent title. These things are called merge tags, and a merge tag will populate with the information inside the brackets. If you wanted to add your own merge tags, click on the email. And there's a little sun option here, and I can change that by adding in whatever I want. And these are all merge tags that you can use to craft your email. Then I just hit send and I'm ready to go. There it is. Now, let's say instead of sending an email, I want to text them. Let's go back to Andrew here and I do text. There's this text option here. And look, there's also a Smart Assistant option for text messaging. Again, because I did it from the dashboard, it's going to populate the message automatically based on where I clicked. However, if I click Smart Assistant right here, again, look at that. I have the same prompts as before, but some new ones as well. Schedule a call, pre-approval, custom prompts, follow-up messages, property needs. And let's try one of the pre-populated prompts. So let's say check-in. Hey, lead's first name, it's my first name, agent. These are, again, merge tags that will populate with the information in there, so you don't have to remove those. Just check it in to see how your home search is going. Let me know if you need any assistance. I can hit send right there and boom, he already has the message right from my smart number. Now, that's how you can use the Smart Assistant tool. But let's say I want to do it as a mass email instead. So that's how you can do it right from the dashboard. But if I go into my contacts area and I find all my contacts, I can check the box here next to first name to mass email all those contacts at once. And I can come over here to email and you see the same thing that we just saw. Use Smart Assistant right here in the top right hand corner. Boom. Now I can do the custom prompts. You can also do it with text messages. Again, keep in mind the TCPA rules. They have to opt in to receive these messages. So if you have bulk uploaded your contacts into BoldTrail, you won't be able to mass text message those people. They have to come from your website or a lead generation area where they've opted in, such as the Open House app. So if I want to text, boom, I click text here and I am presented right front and center with BoldTrail's Smart Assistant. So all I have to do is click generate. I can use one of the pre-populated prompts and send the message. All right. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me today with Master Your CRM and how to use BoldTrail's Omni Search and BoldTrail's Smart Assistant. These are really powerful tools that allow you to send out messages easily and quickly. Omni Search lets you find anything in the system with just one area. Type in your search right there and you can find it. Again, I would love to know who uses these tools and how. Have you used the new BoldTrail Streams app? If so, I would love to know in the comments below. And also, as always, if you're interested in meeting with me and using my services to help you master your CRM, go to masteryourcrm.com to schedule an appointment with me. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Let's master this together.